guys, so today we're gonna take a look at the JLabs JBuds Frames. These are basically speakers that go onto your glasses and they basically give your glasses audio. So we're just gonna unbox these real quick and see how big they are and kind of what they look like. This is what the box looks like that they come in. Basically sound for your glasses. So yeah, you have like this thing that slides out and then there they are. So take one of them out. So then you can pull this thing out. There's this bag here. And there's also this manual, which kind of shows you how to connect them and stuff. So I'm gonna try putting these on a pair of glasses just to see what they look like. But yeah, so this bag has this charging plug, which is kind of strange. It's got like these, I guess they're like magnetic clips. Yeah. So that's a little interesting. It's got two of them. I guess each one has a battery. So yeah, there's that, and then there's like this carrying case. I'm not sure if you can fit glasses in these or not. I suppose we could try. See if glasses go in there. Oh, they do. Yeah, so you can put your glasses in this case as well, not just the JBuds or whatever you want to call them. So that's kind of cool that those fit. And then you've also got this thing here, and this is like, I don't know what this is honestly. Okay, so these are like little sleeve things, and it looks like my frames are pretty thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and have the thick side facing inwards. So the logo is gonna be facing out. So then for going on top of the glasses, they're just gonna go like this, because this right here is the speaker. So you want to have that facing backwards like this. But yeah, they basically just go like that. That's pretty snug actually. It's very unlikely that something like that would fall off. It's more likely my glasses would unstick like that rather than those coming off. Those are on there pretty good, so I give JLabs props for that. That's pretty good. Let's see what else these are good for. So I was looking in the manual right here, the button functions. It says that it's kind of strange because usually a single press is a play and pause, but for these, a single press is like volume up or volume down on these. So the buttons are a little strange, but I guess that that's just what they chose, because they only have one button, and this is the button. This is the only button they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on, and then we're gonna do an audio test so you can see how these sound. And I also have a pair of Bose Frames tenor right here to compare, so we can compare which one sounds better. So let me get my recorder. Put this like that. I need to connect headphones so that I can see what they sound like. And I'm going to use this device to pair the Bluetooth. I'm really curious what these sound like because they're not that big. So you just press and hold the two buttons until they basically turn on.
Hello.
That. you'll notice like the lights turn on. And it says it's connected here. So first I'm gonna go ahead and test the audio without equalizer. So that's basically how you set them up. Make sure the volume is all the way up. They sound pretty good through the microphone. Sound very deep. This is a beat one of my friends made. It sounds really good on these little speaker things. Oops. Turns out that was actually on the equalizer, so this is what it sounds like flat. Still pretty good though. And just so you know that this, so you know for sure that I'm not faking this recording. I'll move these around to show that the sound is actually coming out of these. So you'll notice like there's a port here. The bass waves are coming out of this port right here. This is like the regular speaker port, and I'm not sure what this is right here. You can find out. It's like where all the, that's like where the more of the mid-range and treble comes out. So it looks like all the sound comes out of this. The mid-range and treble come from here, and then the bass comes out of here. And if you triple press the button, then you'll get different options for EQ, like
bass boost.
Bass boost. So it has a little bit more bass now. I think it just reduces the treble and the mid-range. And then there's also another setting.
JLabs signature.
So there you have it. They sound pretty good. I want to go ahead and play one more song. I'm gonna find it in this phone. This is a very old phone, by the way. Here it is. I'm gonna turn the equalizer on.
Time to take a break before I give my heart a chance to break. You were just one big mistake, and now you're going broke for you.
Much better, the equalizer.
But love is not what I thought it was. No, I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind. 247 365. I got money on my mind all the fucking time. I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind. 247 365. I got money on my mind all the fucking time. I got money on my mind. I'm invested, but love is not what I thought. I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind. 247 365. I got money on my mind all the fucking time. I got money on my mind. I got money on my mind. 247 365. All the fucking time. I got money on my mind.
You can see that's quite a lot of bass from these. So the next thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and compare it to the Bose Frames tenor. So these are the Bose Frames tenor. So on, I'm gonna get the microphone ready. I'm having difficulty getting the microphone closer to the speaker outputs on these. I can change it. So it would appear that these are louder, but they're actually not. These are louder. It's just I can't get the sound to go directly into the microphone with these glasses because these are like separate and these are at an angle. So, but based on what I've previously tested, I would say these play deeper and these play louder, and they have about the same amount of clarity. So the fact that these can actually play deeper than these, because these were $250 and these are only $20. So the fact that these ones can play deeper is really impressive to me. So yeah, there you have it. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take one of these apart so you can see what's inside, because I want to find out why they sound as good as they sound. And also, I think the manual says somewhere, maybe the side of the box says it. Okay, so it says it has 16mm drivers right here. I don't know if you can see, but I have a caliper right here. So we're gonna find out if that's actually true. So basically, to take one of these apart, I'll take these off for now. To take one of these apart, you're just gonna, this back piece here will come off, just like that. And it's actually a really good display of what's inside. So there's a battery right here. There's a battery right here, and there's that driver. Let me grab a little thing to poke at it so you can see. It looks like the driver's made out of paper. Usually they're made out of like this plastic. I have an idea of something I should try. I'm gonna go ahead and power this on. There it is, turns on.
Bluetooth connected. Battery full.
I have like a really low frequency I can play through this and this, so I found it finally. Make sure the volume is all the way up. So now the speaker's moving. That's pretty cool. Make it move a little bit more. So yeah, that's pretty cool. They really put a little subwoofer in this thing. So now we're gonna find out if it's actually 16 millimeters. So we got, yep, 16 millimeters, just like they said. Good job, JLabs. You took your measurements correctly. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not going to take this apart anymore because it's pretty self-explanatory what the circuit board looks like on the other side, so there's not really anything to see there. And this thing only has a speaker, a battery, and a circuit board anyway, and we can already see those three. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this teardown / review. If you like music on your glasses, I would recommend getting a pair of these. They're only $20, and their sound is honestly better than Bose for $20, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.